Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for Biaxial Build. It's the application located right here in your main menu. I will be showing this in Windows, but you can also, of course, run this on your Mac. So a biaxial map is a visualization tool which illustrates different user groups, discrete user groups, sort of like rough general personas, and for which certain design solutions can be catered. So following some design research, um, you can basically create these user groups, and this can be extremely helpful in focusing in on specific user goals, their own unique characteristics, and direct that design to cater to each of these groups. So, just as an example, this might be a typical biaxial map. Uh, Typically, you have very unique names for um, whoever you are going to present this to is more engaging, and also it helps you to remember the difference between these different user groups. Also, have very interesting variables on the axes. So maybe just think beyond the basic and try to be a little more creative, and then it seems that you'll be able to decipher exactly who are the different customers and their different needs. So in this particular case, this was a design research project on a full service car wash. So if you look at this particular user group called the Hawk, um, they are high on preparedness and high on separation anxiety. So when they toss their keys over to the attendants who are about to wash their car, they might have high separation anxiety and constantly want to watch their car being washed, make sure no spot is missed, nothing is damaged. But at the same time, they know the process. They know how everything's supposed to work, how they hand the keys over, go inside, and either spend their time shopping, using the internet, etc. And they know exactly what they want to buy, and they just know the entire process. So that would be that particular user group. And then you'd have three others. Okay, so how do we use this? If you want to ever change some text, you just double click, and then we'll just call this Hawk for right now. Then you just click to enter. And then you can also change the color of the uh, different quadrant. So I just clicked, let's go background color. I'll pick blue. And then of course the font is a little hard to see. So I'll click this again and pick the text color. I'll just pick white. And you can also change the actual font. So let's go in here and I'll just pick one. And why don't we change the size too? Okay, so you can see how that's quite a bit larger. And you would do that for each of these. You can also change the text here. So I think I had separation anxiety. And that changes. You can change these two as well as the title. And just be careful that it stays within the realm of the diagram. And then you can save this and export it. You can save it and then come back to it later and load it in. Exporting, let's export this. Let's just call this car wash. Okay, and then let's open those results up. Double click. And there you have the diagram. So I'm just going to close this up. Now remember, I just, within the app, I just opened up the results. Remember, at any time, if you're at the main menu, you can just go to the global results folder. And then here's Biaxial Build, export, and then there's your diagram once again. Alright, and that's how you use Biaxial Build. Thank you.